Hi! In front of me is Redmi Note 11 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change font style on this device. First of all, go into Devices Settings. Now scroll down just a bit to access Display. Following that, scroll down again, click on Font, and tap on More next to Weekly Peaks. Then select the best option for you. I will go with Cute Kittens. Then you need to choose Free. Wait couple of seconds and hit Apply. So when I do that, as you can see, style of my font has changed. If you wish to go back to your default style, access the same settings. Close an ad by tapping on the top left corner and choose My Fonts. Now tap on Roboto, select Apply and choose Reboot in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!